Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a winner chicken dinner. So let's start today's topic about poultry. Welcome to the series of Incredible Bharat, truly presented by GrowthBase. Poultry are domesticated birds kept by humans for the purpose of harvesting animal products such as meat, eggs or feathers. It includes some common birds, that is chicken, ducks, guinea fowl, geese and turkeys that can be found in all types of poultry system, both large and small. Can anybody tell what is the scientific name of chicken? मैं बताता हूँ. It's Gallus domesticus. And do you know who is the father of poultry? It is Banda Vasudev Rao, born in 1935. He was an Indian entrepreneur and agriculturalist, considered by many as the father of poultry industry in India. BRAHMA chicken is known as the king of all poultry and is appreciated for its great size, strength and vigor. अगर हम import export की बात करें, so in 2022, poultry meat were the world's 125th most traded product, with a total trade of $35.9 billion. Between 2021 and 2022, the exports of poultry meat grew by 20.2% from $29.9 billion to $35.9 billion. Trade in poultry meat represents 0.15% of total world trade. India exports most of its chicken meats to United States, Maldives and Vietnam. The top three exporters of chicken meat are Brazil with 60,621 shipments, followed by Turkey with 22,978 and Thailand at the third spot with 12,502 shipments. India's poultry exports had touched a high of rupees 1,081 crores, which means $134.04 million rupees during 22-23, doubling over previous year's 529.8 crore rupees. And it is all because of the rising demands of eggs and egg products among other countries. According to Food and Agriculture Organization Corporate Statistical Database Production Data 2022, now India ranks 3rd in egg production and 8th in meat production in the world. Egg production in the country has increased from 78.48 billion in 2014 to 2015 to 129.60 billion numbers in 2021 to 22. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more knowledge.